In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a new YouTube channel if you have one already. So you can quickly go up to your profile picture, scroll down to YouTube Studio. Once in YouTube Studio, you'll want to go to the left-hand side of the screen and all the way down till you see Settings. Click on Settings. Then from Settings, you're going to select Channel. Once you're in Channel, you're going to want to go to Advanced Settings. Then you will scroll down until you see Manage YouTube Account. Click on that. Here you can add or manage your channels. So here I'm going to add a channel where it says add or manage your channels. Click add or manage your channels and then hit this button with the plus sign that says create a channel. Channel name, I'm going to be found in Finland. Select that and then hit create. You're almost done. We need to just verify your account before you can start using it. So you need to add in your phone number. So I am based in Finland with this. So I'm going to add my phone number. And I'm going to request that the code is sent text message to my phone. Hit continue. Then once you get your verification code, you enter that in and hit continue. Then once it's created, you will see an icon up here that lets you know that it has been created, and it will say try searching to get started, start watching videos to help us build a feed of videos you'll love. So this is letting you know that it has been created. So now you have a YouTube account. So if I click in here and I go to YouTube Studio, I'm going to see that I have no information yet because I haven't uploaded any videos. But that's how you create a YouTube channel.